Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log into Crunchyroll. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice. And I'm currently using Google Chrome. Now you can access Crunchyroll from using any browser of your choice, right? So from your browser, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type crunchyroll.com and it's going to take you to this official website for Crunchyroll. So you have a couple of features going on here, a whole lot of things happening at the same time. But if you want to log in, let's say you have already created an account and you just want to log in, here's what you can do. From this window, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this profile icon in there. So click on that. You have this extended menu that says create account, login, gift card, and then the 7-day free trial. Now go ahead and click on login because you already have an account created. So in this email address box, I'm just going to enter in the email address that I used and head over to password and select that password because my password was created by Google. Now, this email is not a real email, like it was just created solely for tutorial purposes. All right, so that's why we're using Google suggested passwords. So now that we're here, just go ahead and click on the login button. And it's going to take you right into Crunchyroll. Just ensure that the email address you imputed is really correct and the password is also perfectly correct. And once you do that, it's just going to take you right into the homepage for Crunchyroll. And in this homepage, you can now explore and navigate diverse features to have an exciting time in Crunchyroll. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Once you're done, you will effortlessly know how to log in to your account on Crunchyroll. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.